What's up, guys? Lionel Turney here with One Way Pressure Washing Services in beautiful, sunny San Marcos, California, in the Lake San Marcos community to be exact. And today we have a nice commercial property. What's convenient about this one is you don't have to come at nighttime. There's a few cars that are there because there's a bar across the street or like a little, I don't know what it is, like it's pretty much a bar, and they like to park over here, but I'll work around them, not a big deal. Got the hoses all wrapped up, going around the back. Kind of dirty back there. The rest of it's not too bad, but we're gonna knock it out. Stay tuned. Okay, got this back all wrapped up. It's really dirty back here. Really dirty. The sprinklers that are going on. There's no flow back here no matter what we do. Pressure wash around these here, but there's nowhere to put the water. So the property manager's aware of that. All that black and all that green here, all got stored away. So got to wrap around the front, do this middle section over here. We have the hose all rolled out. This side sees a lot of sun, so not really an issue. All right, it's about halfway done with this build. A little more than halfway. Or it's all done. Area, because that surface really doesn't get too dirty. It's pretty easy to clean. Able to wand most of it back there, which is, you know, it's a little more work, but you have to disconnect for another gun. However, this concrete here is way more porous. So we lay some chemical down on it, let it penetrate. It's a little bit greens over here and there. It's really not too bad, but I know it's not gonna look as good with the wand, so we're gonna surface clean this bad boy. So letting the tank fill up. Next, we're over there, tackle that side. Has two sides. Goes pretty easy though. The concrete has a nice glaze on it. So let's lay some chemical down. Get this bad boy done. Okay, guys, got it all wrapped up, got it all rinsed down. Came out looking really nice. Was pretty dirty. So you'll see, I'm sure you saw it in the video, when you put that surface cleaner on it, it may look like it looks pretty decent, but then you start seeing that line, one bright side and one dark side. So I'm probably got to cut the video here. The next side's pretty much like what I just did, little courtyard in the middle. But I'm running out of battery and you've made these videos too long. And I kind of want my phone so I can listen. So, but yeah, that's is what we do. One-way pressure washing out of Oceanside, California. Here we are today in beautiful San Marcos. We do commercial, residential, house washes, roof washes, backyards, patios, industrial. We got it all. Give us a call, 760-703-9563. Out.